Okay, our last example, a body of mass 10 kilograms is held at rest, so it's in equilibrium, on a smooth plane inclined at 20 degrees by a string with tension 5 kilogram weight as shown. Calculate the angle between the string and the inclined plane. So you can see that that theta is sitting there. That's what I need to work out. Now we don't need to actually resolve in both directions. We can just do one and that will give us the angle. So I'm not going to write each vector in component form this time. So resolving in the I direction, our normal n is going to be 0 because it has no I component. My tension is going to be 5 cos of theta. It's positive. So if you drew this triangle, be in the positive direction. Now my weight, I'm going to have to work some things out for that. Easiest option, I think, extend your plane down and draw your weight here. So that's your 10. That means if I draw this dotted line here, that has to be 20 degrees because it's vertically opposite. So that means this angle in here is 70 degrees because of the right angle. I'm going to make my weight a little longer just to be able to show what I'm doing. So if I draw this right angle in here, this angle has to be 180 minus 90 minus 70, which is 20 degrees. So now I have a right angle triangle that I can use. I'm just going to move it so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to use the 20 degrees for the simple reason that that's what's given in the question. I could use the 70 degrees. So hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. So sine theta is going to be opposite over adjacent, over hypotenuse. Sine 20 is going to be my I component over my weight. So my I component is going to be W sine of 20. And W is 10. So that's 10 sine of 20. So I can come back here. And it's going to be in the negative direction as well, because my weight was going down to draw that right angle. My x is going in the negative direction. So it's going to be negative 10 sine of 20. So therefore they all, because it's in equilibrium, they have to add to 0. So 5 cos of theta take 10 sine 20 has to equal 0. 5 cos theta has to equal 10 sine of 20. Cos theta is divide both sides by 5, 2 sine of 20, and that's approximately 0.68. So theta is approximately inverse cos of 0.68, which is approximately 46.84 degrees. Finish with a therefore statement. Now just a couple of things with this example. I want you to make sure that you know that that there is 20 degrees. Okay, you might find it hard to see that. Okay, I could have drawn my triangle straight down from my weight. I just thought it would be easier to draw it further down so you can see what's happening with those angles.